Mrs. V from the Healthy Habits Start Now program. Today, we're going to learn about the life of a plant. Just like people, plants have different body parts. We have legs, arms, and a head. Plants have roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruit, and seeds, which are inside the fruit. Now we're going to act out the life of a plant. Let's pretend we're a tomato. Squat down, because tomatoes are not tall. Curl up in a little ball, and you're going to get squishy because the tomato breaks open and lets all its seeds out into the dirt. Then the rain comes down and waters the seeds, and they slowly sprout and start to grow. Your roots are growing, your stem is growing tall. Stand up tall like your stem, wiggle your toes because your roots are growing down into the dirt. The roots and the stem bring the water from inside the ground all the way up to the rest of the plant parts. So now your plants need something else to grow. Sunlight. Raise your hands up towards the sky. We're growing leaves to soak up the sunlight and make food for the plant. So wiggle your fingers and spread them wide. Great job! Now your flowers are blooming. Pretend your head is a flower. Cover your face, then slowly open your hands and smile. After the flowers bloom, juicy tomatoes grow. Make your hands into fists and put them on your shoulders to be tomatoes. How big are your tomatoes? Mine are little cherry tomatoes, about this big. Yours might be Roma tomatoes for salsa. They're about this big. Or big beefsteak tomatoes for slicing. They're this big. When tomatoes are ripe, they're picked, washed, and taken to the grocery store on a big truck. Oops! One tomato fell off onto the ground. Plop! Bugs will eat the fruit, but leave behind the seeds to grow into a new tomato plant. What parts of the plant do you remember? Roots, stem, leaves, flower, fruit, and seeds. Now look around your house and see if you can find a vegetable in your refrigerator, freezer, or cupboard. What part of the plant do you think it is? Here are some examples of plant parts that we eat. Thanks for growing a plant with me today. Bye-bye.